Jaod bura ma Ugenya David Ochieng osingo mar chwalo e doho twak mar thicho kogae mako jolo mar obila Gilbert Masengeli ma bende oyud kod ketho mar buono chike doho ma pacho ka poni ok ogweta okaluwore kod seyo mar chayo chike doho. Kolose twak ma achiel kachiel e Citizen TV okinyi ma kawuono, Ochieng okone timbe mag chayo chik ok owinjo mithuolo kata matin e Kenya kendo ni nyaka kawo ondamo mowinjore ne Gilbert Masengeli.
The foundation of a democratic society depends entirely on the respect for the rule of law. The reason you have the three arms of government is so that there's a system of checks and balances that ensures that the country moves in one accord. Parliament makes laws, judiciary interprets those laws, and we expect the executive to implement the laws that are passed. And who enforces them? Yeah. We set up for ourselves a police service to ensure that we are able to enforce the law. So if the police service decides we're not going to enforce the law, then the whole fabric of the democracy falls. We're falling into anarchy. And I want to say this morning, that if that gentleman does not resign by the end of the day today, as David Ochieng will take such a motion to Parliament for his removal from office. He must leave office. In fact, that should not even be debated. That the head of police service has refused to obey a court order should be frowned upon. It should be a scandal. It should bring outrage that the head of police refuses to obey a court order and then goes ahead to order that the secretary of a judge be withdrawn. It's not a small matter, Ayub. And so we are dealing with a decay in social order, decay in legal order, and generally a free-for-all system that must be stopped.